Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by making sure Google Lens is ready and permitted to use your camera and storage, because without permissions you can't scan. Once done, open Lens and select Scan or Text mode. This mode optimizes OCR and edge detection. You should position the camera about 30 to 45 centimeters from the page, use natural light, and reduce glare. Make sure you tap the screen to autofocus so Lens captures sharp detail. This improves text recognition and reduces manual correction later. Next, you'll capture the content and refine how Lens processes it. You can tap the shutter or enable auto capture. Check the live preview to avoid skew or blur. After capture, use the crop handles to precisely set document edges so OCR reads correctly. This is why precise framing speeds up accuracy. Choose Recognize Text to extract editable text or Translate to convert languages. If scanning multiple pages, add them now and reorder or delete pages before exporting to keep files tidy. Finally, export and save your scan in the format you need. Select Export as PDF for sharing or copy text to paste into documents. You should rename the file, choose a folder, and use the Share menu to send via email or upload to cloud storage for easy retrieval. If you see OCR errors or blurry scans, clean the camera lens, steady the phone with both hands or a tripod, increase lighting, and make sure the app is updated. These fixes solve most recognition problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.